UniFi Protect Doorbell. How to install. Simple as 15 minutes. Be sure the power is off. At the circuit breaker. If you want home surveillance and value your privacy, there is really nothing better than Ubiquiti. And this video doorbell does not disappoint. First and foremost, you need to be aware that this isn't a standalone solution. So if you don't already have some sort of NVR from UniFi, you will need one in order to put this to use. Choose your mounting bracket, flat or angle bracket. Use the included bubble level to make sure the mounting bracket is straight. Remove included bubble level. Connect the doorbell to the wire adapters. Slide the spade wire adapters behind each terminal and tighten well. The doorbell is smart, so you can connect the wires to either wire adapter. Tuck wires and wire adapters. Click your new doorbell onto the mounting bracket, and turn the circuit breaker back on. Download UniFi Protect and follow its instructions. For more information, go to help.ui.com. Ubiquiti, simplifying IT. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.